Hi, I'm Connie from Motion by the River, and I have a new subscription box to show you today. This is called Sewers Club, and I'm not sure what the price was. I'll put it down below in my description. I believe I signed up for 3 months to try it out, so let's see what's in here. Ooh, it looks like I'm making a little tote bag. This is called Renee's Retreat Bag. Completed bag size 8 by 9.5 by 3 3/4. Cute. So that is the pattern with the directions on making it. Hey, in this box, hello Connie. To kick off the new year, we will be sewing Renee's Retreat Bag, the perfect padded toolbox for carrying notions to and from sewing retreats. It's featuring Untamed by Tula Pink for a free spirit. Getting fabric, purple, and that is a fat quarter of Tula Pink. And the fabric is called Light the Way. It's pretty. Fat quarter. This one is called Hello Delilah. Dahlia? Hello Dahlia. And it's also a fat quarter. That's going to be the main fabric in this little tote. This is a piece of fusible foam stabilizer that I'll use in the bag. Thread. This is Gutermann, and it's called Cream de Mint. A zipper. Oh, it's a nylon zipper. It's beautiful. Purple zipper with the white background. And then it comes with 2 little flower zipper pulls. Those are cute. And also a pair of rainbow 3.5-inch sharp, straight pointed edge scissors. Boy, those are tiny. And that's it. So I think what I'm going to do with this is I am going to wait and not do a video until I make the bag, and then I will combine that with this. So keep watching and I'll get the bag made. Thank you. I finished up the Renee's retreat bag that was in my Sewers Club subscription box. It's cute. They're tulip pink fabrics. The little zipper pull is cute. I only ended up using one. I didn't put it together quite right. I got a little lost and put a zipper in the way I normally do, which made it, I didn't even bother trying to finish the insides. But you know what? Nobody's going to see it but me. But I think it's very adorable. What do you think?